Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Gavin Freedom Lover here, and this is the Driveshaft extension device with the fixed blade hub on the back. By fixed, I mean that was the one where the hole was in the wrong place, so that did actually take quite a lot of welding to get that centrally. The 60 centimetre piece of metal here was very annoyingly sent to me 1 inch, not 25 mil. So you can see I actually had to use a grinder and repetition, orderly repetition, and got it there in the end. So yeah, these need welding and drilling still, but as I was feeling a bit tired, I didn't really have the energy to video the whole thing, but I just thought I'd show you that's done. So the idea is this bit will sit between the middle bearing and the rear bearing, and this bit will come off the end with the other blades on, the metal blades. Anyways, I just thought I'd let you know what I'd been doing, not resting on my laurels. See you soon, peace.